Family and Marital Counseling. Unit 5. Continuing Theories in the Psychology of Family Relationships. Social Learning Theory, Communication Theory, Symbolic Interaction Theory. Social Learning Theory. Social learning theory. Albert Bandura founded social learning theory. He attributes human behavior to reciprocal determinism, involving environmental, behavioral, and cognitive factors. Learning occurs through observation or modeling. Most behavior is learned through a model or example. Social learning theory suggests learning happens by watching others perform effective responses. Learning begins when one imitates effective responses observed from a model. Bandura and Ross emphasize this. He emphasizes that in fact most human behavior is learned through a model or real-life example in various situations. The philosophy of social learning theory posits that learning happens by observing someone else perform effective responses. They learn by imitating the effective response. Children learn bad behaviors by observing wrong models. Children show aggression by seeing aggressive models in parents, teachers, peers, and media. Note: aggression is learned due to weak emotional bonds, leading to insecurity in the family. This drives the child to seek outside sources for lost security. Children learn undesirable behaviors by observing wrong models, such as aggressive behavior from parents, teachers, peers, and media. Aggression is learned due to weak emotional cohesion, leading to insecurity within the family. This drives children to seek external security. What should parents do? Using coercive methods reinforces aggressive behavior, unintentionally training children to use aggression to achieve goals, increasing distress and preparing them to respond to authority with aggression. Aggression is a learned response a child acquires due to weak emotional cohesion, leading to insecurity. This drives the child to seek external sources for security. Parents using coercive methods reinforce aggressive behavior, training children to use aggression to achieve goals, increasing distress. Social learning theory can be applied in parenting programs by training parents with positive behaviors to solve educational problems. Parents using coercive methods reinforce aggressive behavior. Parents unintentionally train children to use aggression. This increases distress, preparing children to respond to authority with aggression. How is social learning theory applied in parenting? Train parents with positive behaviors to solve educational problems effectively. Observing positive behaviors in programs makes parents role models, leading children to imitate them. Thus, children's undesirable behaviors change to socially appropriate ones. How can social learning theory be applied in parenting guidance programs? By training parents and teaching them positive behaviors that help them solve educational problems effectively. By observing positive behaviors during the guidance program sessions, they model for their children, who then imitate them. As a result, the children's bad behaviors change to good. By observing positive behaviors and actions during the guidance program sessions, they become good role models for their children, who then imitate them. As a result, the children's undesirable behaviors can change into socially appropriate and desirable behaviors.